Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the f is your problem, I almost killed you. You're a moron. Asshole, watch where the f going. Just
open up and let it out and count on me. Count on me. For doing my share. Count on me. You know that I care. Count on me. Count on me. Count on me. When I'm for you. Count on me. When there's no one else here. Count on me. I'll be right here. Count on me.
what the f, dude? Anybody in there? Hey. Oh, dude. Jesus. Oh my. Holy. Oh my God. Oh shit. God, I'm idiot.
What the hell, dude?
It's okay, I understand. Honestly, I ain't have a plan. If I'm gonna rap, I would trap and scan. Baby, I will be bagging grams. Hit the block and I'm tapping in.
Pricey for the jacket, but oh. Baby, come on. Baby, you're so damn fine, though. I'm trying to. What the fuck? Oh no!
In 3.2 miles, continue on US 22 Memorial Parkway. on the other side. Stronger than ever.
Landing Victor shifted. Worried I'm the vicious idiot. As if to comfort him, his mimic
prevented, but very stressful. My dog was inside of his sandwich for 2 hours. So
What are you doing? What are you doing?
But she don't look familiar. Like, oh, what was that? Oh no. Oh, he just magged. He just magged. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. How did he just do that?
Damn it. I just hit my mirror, just hit another car.
You went the wrong way, brother.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.